are going to case number 2. So take note that we are still in the process of product, cosine and sine. So case 2 is when both your sine and cosine is even power. So what should you do if both of them are even power? We may alter the trig functions using this formula. So you have this formula in your formula list. So from this 2 here, let's focus on this equation here, cos squared A. Okay, so let's rearrange. Cos squared x is equal to 1 over 2 in bracket 1 plus cos 2x. So no need to memorize this. You can just alter this from trigonometric identities. And then for sine squared A, we can just adjust from here. So sine squared x is equal to 1 over 2 in bracket 1 minus cos 2x. So this is just what you need to do for case number 2. So let's see the example below. Now, this is example of case number 2. Why? Let's do this. Question number 1, integrate sine squared x cos squared x dx. So this is very clear to us that both of them here is squared function. Okay, this is even function. So for sure we are case number 2 when both of them are even power. Next, what you should do, let's change cos squared here as half in bracket 1 plus cos 2x. And let's change sine squared x is half in bracket 1 minus cos 2x. So let's multiply this. 1 over 2 times 1 over 2 is 1 over 4 and put it outside. This is constant. So for this function here, I hope this is clear to you. This is in terms of multiplying conjugate. This is a minus b times a plus b. So a minus b times a plus b, the result will be a squared minus b squared. So let's do this. Your a is equal to 1, so 1 squared minus your b is cos 2x. So this is cos 2x squared of dx. So now you have simplified this. Let's simplify this further. This is just 1 over 4 integrate 1 dx minus 1 over 4 integrate cos squared of 2x dx. So this is settled already. This is very simple to solve. Integrate dx is just x. And just rewrite back 1 over 4. But for this one, this is not solved yet. This is again integration of a square function. So let's open up your cos squared 2x. So what will happen if you want to open up cos squared 2x? So cos squared 2x is equal to, let's adjust this angle here. Cos squared 2x is equal to 1 over 2 in bracket 1 plus cos 2x. Okay? And rewrite back your dx. So let's open up. This is just cos 4x. And let's expand this again. This is just 1 over 4x minus, let's multiply 1 over 8 times 1 dx. So 1 over 8 integrate 1 dx minus, expand this. So 1 over 4 times 1 over 2, again 1 over 8, integrate of cos 4x dx. Okay, so this one here is very simple to solve. This is just x. The rest of them just rewrite it back. And let's focus here to integrate cos 4x dx. Okay, you can do shortcut here. I already teach you how to do shortcut. Integrate cos 4x is just sine 4x over 4. Okay, because I've taught you before, integrate cos x is just sine 4x, and then further differentiate your inside function, but you need to divide it. So sine 4x over 4. If you don't want to do shortcut, it's okay. You can just use substitution. Let u as 4x, du over dx is 4. Therefore, your dx is equal to du over 4. So you can substitute here, integrate cos u du over 4. Take out 1 over 4, multiply with 1 over 8. This is it. And integrate cos u is just sine u plus c. And finally, you can just rewrite back sine u as sine 4x. For this one here, you can just solve 1 over 4x minus 1 over 8x. This is just 1 over 8x. And just rewrite here 1 over 8x. Therefore, this should be your final answer. So I hope you are clear with this example where you will see that both of them are even power. So you need to rewrite cos squared and sine squared in terms of this function here, and then expand and then further solve them.